Hey guys, let's make Nyama Choma without charcoal grill or oven. Now we're going to start with marinating, of course. You crush some onion there, some ginger and garlic paste, some green pepper. I used 3 spices here. I used turmeric, I used paprika, and some cumin. You can add in your favorite spices. I also added in salt and pepper, a tablespoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. We added in some Royco cubes in there, some soy sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce. I added in 3 Royco cubes and some fresh rosemary. Yes, now you mix this nicely and then you get your beef, your goat. We are doing Nyama Choma, so I used goat meat. So you get your goat. I used a kilo of goat here, just a kilo. You can, go more, and if you're doing more than this, you make sure you add in more of the marination, of course. Now you mix that together and make sure that every part of your meat gets the right seasoning or marination. So now you cover this and keep it for at least 4 hours to 24 minutes. Now I did 24 hours, not minutes. So I did 24 hours here. I let it sleep overnight and then I got it. Now this is going to be our oven. So yeah, so you get your salt, put it in a saucepan, any saucepan that you like. You get a stand. If you don't have a stand like this, you can use 3 stones, And then I need this to make sure that the goat meat doesn't sit in the saucepan. So that's why I put that. Now we are going to preheat this. Now you put this on, you cover this nicely with foil. Please use foil for covering because foil is the best. It maintains the right heat, and make sure that you're using the right foil. So as I showed you there, the heat that we are using, we are preheating, and you can preheat on high heat for about 10 minutes, and make sure that your saucepan is really heated up, or you can use medium heat. So yes, you get our seasoned meat there, our marinated goat meat there. You put it in the foil and you wrap it nicely. Make sure you wrap it nicely so that our what do I call it, the goat juice doesn't drip out, because you don't want your beef to be dry. So you cover it nicely so that the juices that it produces, they don't drip out. Now I'm going to just use 3 foil wrappings in this. So you go on ahead and you do that. So here it's nicely wrapped, as you can see, guys. Now we are going back to our preheated saucepan. As you can see, we heat it up real good. You add in your goat meat there and you let it cook for at least 3 to 4 hours. Now I went 3 hours here without opening this, because every time you open and you put back, just go 3 hours. Trust me, you're going to come out with very nice, extra soft and tender goat stew. Goat Nyama Choma. Sorry guys, Nyama Choma, guys. It's so nice, and it doesn't just look nice, I'm telling you, it is delicious. Very. Ciao, God bless you.